today's episode we're going to do a wee bit of tinkering on Roger here. I don't know if I can turn this camera around. I think I've got to do this, so bear with me a second. We shall be at the moment, or I am, is removing the dash to change a couple of bulbs. Got bulbs up there lying on top of the dash. Obviously got to put all this back as well. I'm gonna give you a wee walk round. You can see there the floor's bone dry now. Obviously there's a bit of carpet work to be done, a bit of trim work to be done. And get all this back in as well. Probably gonna shampoo all this, the headlining and all that, sort all that out. I might re-varnish that myself, rub it back and re-varnish it and see how we get on with that. We'll see what we can do. I don't think I'll get quite as back as far as that, like, but you never know. It's just taking it gentle just now anyway, and I'll cut back to you once I've replaced this dash bulbs and you'll be able to see the dash bulb has been replaced. It's very hard for me to be able to hold the camera and show you what I'm actually done, but we're getting there, slowly but surely. So I replaced a bulb there the other day. There's various bulbs that had gone. You can see that it's a bit dark, but anyway, I'll cut back to you shortly, okay? And I'll show you what it looks like after I'm finished. Screwed back in. Unfortunately, the dash lift's quite significant. The gap in here, I've tried to pull it down a bit, but I don't want to break anything. I'm going to push that in. It is glued behind there, so, but well, we'll go and crank it up and see do me lights and that work anyway, and we'll come back, as I say, after I've done that. But I thought I'd just show you that I've put that all back in anyway. It's best well. Rover's panel. I don't know what would be the best way to sort that out. Maybe leave me an answer in the comments. I'll get around to it. It's the least of its worries anyway. So I'll crack on anyway, and I'll put a battery on it, and we'll start it up, and I'll put lights on and various things like that. So we'll just have a wee look and see what's working, what's not working. Okay, then we'll see. It's running now. That's the side lights working. Indicator to the left. It's working on the outside. Indicator to the right, working. Flash headlights working. Working outside too. Hazard warning lights working too. That's just the side lights. Headlights are on now. It's all working on the outside. I've still got to put that kick plate back in. Got a few things to do, like I say. Kick plate in, trim over there. I was leaving it running just now. Trying to take it off the cold start, but she's running a bit rich. I have to sort that out as well. I'll maybe have to seal that up, but it is working. Right, bear with me a few minutes. I'll go over and get a pump out my other car. I've got solves for it. I'm going to touch up this door. I'll do something with that yet. I've solved that leak. This granule stuff seems to have worked. So the granule sealant seems to have done the trick. Anyway, I'll cut back to you, so I'm going to blow the tyre up. Okay? Down at 5 psi, like, so I'm just going to walk about 32 psi in it just now, just till I turn it round. The car's heating up nicely. Nothing abnormal about it. I've not a problem with the engine at all. Probably used, I don't know, a quarter of a tank was sitting here just starting up. But really I'm glad they've got that. I've taken this off, I'll have to put it back on. Took that off just to, when I was using the printer. When I was working over here, seal all this up, so I took it all down. It was recommended by one of my pals, so I'll get there, guys. I'll get there. I've also got some work to do on the Audi yet, so I can just do what I can in the weather, you know. But anyway, like I say, I'm going to show you some of the other things that I need to do on this car, and I'll maybe show you the new sills that I've got for it. And I'm having a heck of a job trying to take the wipers off that one over there. That one. I'm having a hell of a job with that. The wipers are stuck on it, so I don't think they've ever been off in the lifetime of the car. So, but anyway, I'll cut back to you once we've got this thing turned round and that, and I'll maybe even show you where the sills are gone, and it's jacking points. So, okay, thanks. Might be a bit hard to hear me here, right, but you can see the sill there, straight the way along there, hole there, exhaust, that's where we've doubled. It's actually the wrong box, but it's actually blowing away up here, but you can see how bad the sill is at the jacking point, right the way along. So I'll be cutting that out, and hopefully, weather permitting, I'll be starting this coming week. On the other side is much as such the same. It's a crack. It's not as bad as this one. There's actually, that's new discs that's on there, so I will try and clean them up. But the brake caliper on this side is completely knackered. Probably going to take a new set of front discs as well, I would have thought. Just quickly try and show you the crack in the sill on the other side. I need to realign that headlight. Right, we're down here. It's fractured there. There. Move my hand to be able to see it. It's fractured right next to the jacking point. This car has been sat here face forward, started I don't know how many times. There doesn't appear to be any oil leaks about it. I know you can hear the exhaust blowing in that, but other than that, it's not too bad. It's not too bad on the other side of the sill either. It just seems to be this side of the sills. So I got brand new sills here from the Rover Owners Club, the 800 Club. So I'll work on that. We'll obviously clean all this back as well. I'm going to try and get these trims as well, because the chrome's knackered on that. I'm sure you can see it's all peeling away. I did see a boy on the club site, he said something about ones he got off Amazon, but I might speak to another boy. Big shout out to Dave Smart, the boy that got my sills and all that organised out for me. So I might speak to him and see if he knows of anybody that can do the sills. See, I'm under the impression that the filler neck needs work as well. So there's a hole there. I mean, I'll be honest with you, I could probably fix that. I'll clean it up and weld it. I'm going to paint them. I've actually got the paint to do that. So, but I wanted to get on top of the electrical issues and obviously get rid of that gibbings that's there about it. We'll see, does it start, eh? Been having problems with the starter. And also the battery's not that great. So, I'll get a couple of seconds. Nah, the battery's had it. So, battery's had it on it. But I'm just going to leave that battery on it just now. I do have a battery, get a battery for it. I did have a battery, but I need to touch up that door as well. Rub that back. See, this one's starting to go as well. Blemishes. There's little bits. Bumper. A couple of tins of paint. I've still got the tow bar on it, but the electrics aren't wired up. I dewired the electric tow bars. And I don't know if anybody in the UK can tell me, but I don't think that's required. It's not fitted, not required. So, although I do have the one for it, but it doesn't work. I'll just briefly go over here, show you what I have been working on while the weather's been good. The wipers I need to get off this thing because the scuttle panel's cracked. The scuttle panel's cracked down there, I'm sure you can see it. I do have something preventing it from causing any grief. I do have a new wing for this car. Quite a few things there coming for the channel, like I have a new wing for it. I noticed this when I was in the car park. Someone's caught the front of my bumper. But I've got the paint for that, and there's a wee scuff down there as well. I've already got the paint for it anyway, so I'll probably go on with that at some point. So it's just getting the weather. Okay, thanks all for watching, and remember to leave us a like. Okay, that's the sills. They're sitting in here waiting for me to put them on. There's kind of charcoal sitting behind them. Just not get round to doing it yet because obviously the weather's been so bad. I wanted to get on top of the electrical jobs. Since electrical jobs, most of them are done now, apart from I need to put a decent battery on it. But the sills look good enough quality to me, like. So they're quite thick steel, so fair enough. So we'll get them welded on, and I'm not going to unwrap them, like I'm not into that unboxing malarkey. You'll see me unwrap them no doubt when I'm going to weld them on. So we'll leave it all there for now, and as I said, don't forget to give us a like.